Yeah, I told you we get active. I told you we get active. Oh, y'all gonna see the buzz down today. We got some vegetable egg fried quinoa. It's not fried rice. It's not supposed to be rice. Don't come in the comments saying why is it looking like that. It's quinoa. We got vegetable spring rolls. We got some noodle doodle. And we got some mackerel. And then the side effects. Let's get straight into it. Yeah, bussin'. Y'all can't see who with me right now, but they just verified it's bussin'. So they put, I'm gonna do mine different though, cause I'm different. I'm real different. I'm putting the quinoa inside of the lettuce. Oh, let me be careful. It's okay. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of fish on top. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? This is not meant to look pretty for you. I'm gonna use a little bit of noodle. I really don't. Y'all know I like the noodles at the shop when I be doing this, but today we different. We ain't gonna do too much noodle doodle. Just a little noodle doodle. Ooh. Yeah, that's that spicy fish sauce. But we getting spicy than a mother. And in Thailand, you know them spices is top level. But I'm risky. I'm about it today. Fresh onion. Booski. Boom. I'm gonna take a cucumber too, because I'm like that. Throw that cucumber on there. Oh, I almost forgot. What is this?
The sweet, basic sweet. Sweet basic.
Basil.
Mm-hmm.
Boom.
The basil sweet.
All of that. Do you see what we working with? Big mouth ass. I took the whole cucumber. That's busting with flavor. I'm so glad it got flavor. I'm so glad it got flavor. Back again, round 2, I ain't playing. Down here with a spring roll. Ooh. This spring roll, I know y'all thinking what market I got this from. Ain't no market. Got it from right here. Made fresh in the house in Alabama. Look. I'm gonna play with y'all. I'm gonna tell you if it's really good or not though. You heard that crunch. We like that. This is game 6. I'm about to go crazy. This is game 6. We like that. This is why your stepmom be trying to find a way to sneak out the house. She be trying to come over here to get some of this quinoa. Tell her to stay at home. I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. The quinoa's okay. I haven't found all my flavors and seasonings that I need here. Quinoa okay. It's still good, but I ain't about to gas it. I gotta keep it a buck with y'all. It's just good. But all of it together, bussin'. Y'all know what bussin' mean. I ain't gotta say that in Thai. Y'all know what that mean. Bussin'. Yeah, man. I'm gonna keep getting better at things. We also about to go on like a vegan like diet here, and I'm gonna be vlogging that on YouTube. probably go a whole month with just fruit. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoy the show.